Welcome to Bodycam Canada, where corruption is exposed and transparency is alive.
Hello, Police.
Fuck wrong motherfucker, man. C'est ça que j'ai à dire. Fuck wrong motherfucker. Should have never broken my house.
In the early hours of May 11th, 2023, officers from the Russell County OPP detachment arrived at a home in Bourget for what should have been a routine wellness check. Instead, the day turned into something nobody expected.
Ecco da location, ragazzi.
This rare footage was brought to you by a channel called Police Activity Canada. Be sure to head over and subscribe and check out some other uploads that you won't find anywhere else.
Fait que l'affaire que j'ai vue tantôt, puis la lumière était pas allumée. Là, est allumée. OK. OK? Fait que ça, c'est nouveau. Puis Alain, c'est un gars qui boit beaucoup. Parce que un haut, il est dégueulasse. Puis ça fait 4 ans qu'il reste ici. Là, il faut qu'ils déménagent. Ils vont développer des maisons ici. Ça, ça va être la peine. Il boit beaucoup.
C'est le voisin, c'est lui ici.
Ouais, et lui, il a attendu un cul. Parce que c'est la bière. Et mon ex, ils sont après. Ça le sait, ça fait.
Yeah, come on up.
Ah, toujours avant, hein?
Bon, ok, on va te rejoindre de l'autre bord. I just cover the front door. Just gonna do a perimeter check first.
La maison est barrée. Le garage est barré.
C'est barré. Chien jappe, ça aussi, il dort, il va se réveiller, le gars, là. Fais-tu de quoi?
Le chien, il a comme trouvé de bord, puis vous allez voir à gauche. Il faut tout défoncer. Je vais voir si ça a des barrages.
Ouais, on va aller voir en avant, puis on va rentrer par en avant, oui. Ouais, on fucking défonce, man. Ah.
Ça va? Je veux passer ça, là. Allô, Hank? Police?
genre de motherfucker, man. C'est ça que j'ai dit. You fuck with the wrong motherfucker. Should have never broken my house. Sorry about that. Shot. I was making that death and when unfortunately I shot at police. 2390 Love Street. I shot at police, but unfortunately he broke into my house. I shot at police, unfortunately in my house. 2390 Love Street. Where am I? I'm inside the house.
Not survive. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. Sergeant Eric Mueller was a respected member of the OPP. He's being remembered as a father, a coach, and a model police officer. As Taria Isri reports in our top story tonight, the town is in shock.
A veteran police officer arrived on this rural road, not knowing it would be his last day on the job. Sergeant Eric Mueller and his two colleagues responded to a call after someone reported hearing gunshots in the early morning.
They got the call just after 2. They were there before 2:30, and then they went radio silent, and they had called for backup.
When the officers got there, they walked into an ambush.
I heard three bangs that sounded like gunshots, and I wasn't sure. But then 20 minutes later, everything lit up with sirens and cops.
42-year-old Mueller died from his injuries. The other 2 officers were sent to hospital.
Today, our hearts are broken.
Ontario Provincial Police Commissioner Thomas Carrick remembered Mueller as a family man and a model officer who spent half his life in uniform.
He's described by his colleagues as a coach, a mentor, someone that everybody looked up to. The glue that held his shift together, the best leader that many people ever had the privilege of working for.
39-year-old Alain Bellefeuille was arrested and charged with 1 count of first-degree murder and 2 counts of attempted murder using a firearm.
Bellefeuille stood trial. Emotional testimonies and body cam footage heightened the courtroom's gravity. In May 2025, a jury found him guilty of first-degree murder and 2 counts of attempted murder. He was automatically sentenced to life in prison, no parole for 25 years for the murder charge, and concurrent 20-year terms for the attempted murders.